People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today I just want to touch upon some things where I go on to Jamaica. I just want to highlight some things. Reason why I'm not post as often as of lately is because I've been traveling, but hopefully I can get back to my regular scheduling after this. With that being said, leave a like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Now, a few days ago, Jamaica had a 24-hour period where there was no murders recorded. And for that, I must say congratulations to the justice force and to all parties involved that made this possible. This is a first for a very long time in Jamaica, because if there's 365 days in the year and the country averages 1,000 murders per year on average, that means at least 3 people per day are murdered in Jamaica on average. And then we had one day, 24 hours, where there were no murders. I believe that this is a turning point for Jamaica. I really truly and strongly believe that, because this is unprecedented. A lot of people are downplaying this achievement. A lot of people are not really seeing the significance of what took place here, but I believe that this is a massive step forward in the right direction in reducing crime and putting an end to gang violence in Jamaica. Now take a look at your screen and let us read this report together. According to Nationwide News, the police say no murders were recorded on the island in the 24 hours between 5:45 a.m. on Monday, May 5th to 5:45 a.m. Tuesday, May 6th. An earlier story about the killing of a bar operator, Thelma Brown, in Brednut Hill, St. Ann, gave the time of incident as 1:38 a.m. on Monday. So people, you can see it here for yourself. Now, I believe that this is a very, very monumental achievement for the security forces and Jamaica as a whole. It shows that the nation is going in the right direction. A lot of people, though, however, have malicious intent towards our beloved nation. And we're going to read some comments, but I don't want to read these comments because I would be losing my brain cells if I do so. So I will let Fing Fang Foom read these comments for you. People, welcome Fing Fang Foom.
Greetings everyone, this is Fing Fang Foom, and thank you Birdbeak for having me on your show. Anyways, Little Excel said, love that. IVKEDA Prodigy said, that una think, while Mr. Robot corrected them and says, it says recorded. That name down there that I don't know how to pronounce says, kiss my teeth, you mean no police no record none. While Pride Things corrected them and said, that's what it says. Now I can understand why Birdbeak did not want to read these comments, because I, Fing Fang Foom, the Dark One, is already losing brain cells to these stupid comments. But let's carry on, shall we? OG Red commented, it's that bad till 24 hours become an achievement? The fuck? Petite Ebony says, I feel like that's an achievement for any country. And Spectacular Glow Skincare says, damn. Well people, I believe that it's an achievement for any country. If any country can go a full 24 hour without murders, that's a good thing. And I know some countries that's the norm, but for a place like Jamaica, it's a real good step in the right direction. Now let's continue. This motherfucker at the top of the screen says, where the 87 I deal with, uno have to do better, kill streak now. Now I urge the Jamaica Constabulary Forces to use all necessary resources to keep an eye on this Instagram user, because they seem like a potential threat to the society in the future. Some murder says, this sad you fuck, I saw it did bad. Yo Bobby them say, no sick, a corner league time. Its CEO says, nah, somebody dead last night at Jungle. During the chefs, brother, last night them killer you right time shop, shake my head. And that last person says, shh, take time talk, now make gunman them hear. Now I don't know what they think. I don't know if they feel like the security forces are afraid of these miscreants and these lunatics, but there will be no such thing as an uprising murder ever again. This trend must continue for us to ensure a safer Jamaica for a future. Mr. Caution 6 says a football cause all of that, One Ne Kareem says Labour Party trying to win so bad, bro. This is sad. What you mean it's sad? You should be glad, you fucking idiot. The truth says, change is coming, and I could not agree more. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but they say a lie after me just dust out a boy Monday morning. Police, please, look into this person. I know that they might be trolling, but you can never know. PGL Max says, I don't even know this proud of dog. Of course it is. What the fuck do you mean? Champion League cause all of this. Cause the match them hot. And then the last person, Able Boss Official says, April Fool's Day. Now people, I know that a lot of you really and truly despise Jamaica and really want to see Jamaica fall and burn. But when Jamaica is doing good, please give Jamaica its props. Because when Jamaica is doing bad, you are the same set of people in the comment sections that are quick to bash Jamaica. So when Jamaica is doing good, please give Jamaica its props. Anyways, Birdbeak, come take over because I think my brain is melting.
Thanks for the help, Fing Fang Foom. Well, people, you heard it here. With that being said, I don't have much more left for this video. I just wanted to raise awareness about this that I personally believe is a good thing for Jamaica. And yeah, just leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and literally costs you nothing. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.